In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable voice search in Chrome. If you want to use your voice to search the web in Google Chrome, the most important thing is making sure Chrome has permission to access your microphone. This is a quick setting to check, and once it's enabled, compatible websites can ask to use your mic whenever voice search is available. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu there. Go ahead and click it. This menu gives you access to Chrome's main options and settings, including the privacy and permission controls we need for voice search. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open Chrome's settings page where you can manage how the browser behaves and what access websites are allowed to request. Once you're in Settings, look over to the left-hand menu and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls related to browsing safety, permissions, and data access. After that, select Site Settings. Site settings is where Chrome manages permissions for things like the camera, microphone, notifications, and location. Now scroll down until you find the permissions section. In that area, click Microphone. This page is specifically where Chrome controls whether websites can request access to your microphone, which is what voice search depends on. On the microphone settings page, make sure the option that says sites can ask to use your microphone is turned on. When this setting is enabled, websites are allowed to prompt you for microphone access instead of being blocked automatically. That's the key setting you need for voice search to work in Chrome. If this option is off, voice search may not work because Chrome won't let websites request microphone permission. Turning it on doesn't mean every site will automatically use your microphone. It simply allows sites to ask first, which gives you control over what you approve. After enabling the setting, you can close the Settings tab. The next time you use a website with voice search, Chrome may show a microphone permission prompt. If it does, make sure to allow access for that site so your voice input can work properly. And that's it. You've now enabled the microphone permission needed for voice search in Chrome. If you found this helpful, you can revisit these same settings anytime to review or adjust microphone access for specific sites.